What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So we got a toilet. We augered it out and was not able to clear it. So we're gonna pull it off and see what we find. We are going to put on a retrofit shutoff. If I have one, we'll put some new bolts. Okay, yeah, I got one. So this is our retrofit shutoff because it doesn't seem like the water's going to shut off properly. So we undo the water hose. We got it like 95% of the way off, or 99. It's just going to drip a little bit. Now we're gonna use the Milwaukee vacuum to suck out all the water. I think what we're gonna try and do, if I take the head off this vacuum, I can stick this in. We might be able to actually suck out what the object was. Now, I don't know what you guys can actually see. So, not much. But normally these bolts would be 1/2 inch, but these are cheap ones and they are going to be 7/16. So we got our small ratchet. We're going to be changing these out to 1/2 inch, our regular closet bolts, 5/16 by 1/2 inch. Nope, 5/16 by 2 1/4 inch length. Why don't you guys in the comments down below let me know before the video goes any further, and let me know what you guys think the problem is. I believe there's an object in there. You got a couple seconds. It's coming off. All right. Okay, the funny thing is, I was talking to the tenant about another job I was at years ago, and there was a bone in the toilet. What was your name again?
Michelle.
Michelle, come here for a second.
Yeah? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the f*** is that?
You know what that looks like to me, Michelle?
Is that skin? No, is that skin?
Looks like a bone.
No, there's no way.
I was just saying.
We were just talking about that.
That's what I was saying.
No, are you sure? Are you sure that's not skin? Seriously, that looks like skin. Oh, don't touch it.
Don't. It's got to come out.
Are you kidding me? We just talked about that.
Yeah, it's definitely a bone.
Oh my god. No, that is not. Okay, now I'm racking my brain. No.
Okay, I'm gonna let you in on a secret. Not a secret. That would not have come up the drain.
Okay.
So 100% went down the drain.
It went down.
Right?
Now, I talked to my son. We've spoken, and he said he threw nothing. I know I didn't. I even keep in my kitchen sink. No, swear to God.
No,
I keep in my kitchen sink one of those strainer things that when I wash the dishes and stuff, and I.
No problem. No problem.
The only other thing I can think of is yesterday my sister was here, and I left her to go check on my friend's apartment while she washed the dishes and cleaned up.
No problem.
Do you think that how?
It's possible.
I'm gonna text her right now. She even knows that this is happening right now. She knows how freaked out I am. Maybe I'm gonna text her right now.
Not a problem.
How can that be? We just. Jay,
It's okay.
well, this is freaking me out.
It's okay. It's okay.
Like, I'm shaking. Like, this is like.
It's okay. Let me put everything back together. I gotta get this out. So, I think I pushed it down to up in here. And now, alright. Okay, you guys can see it right there. Alright. That's it. Alright. Now, like I said, we're going to change out the Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see. You can see right down there. So we got to be very careful with how so we're going to have to get an extra set of nuts and bolts. So we take a nut and a washer and put it on. And then we cap the washer up top, and that way it'll never fall through. Yeah.
I solved it.
You solved it?
Yeah. I'll wait till you. I'll wait till you're.
Okay, yeah, just because I got the toilet right in front of the door right now.
No problem, Jay. No problem.
So, I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Okay. That's it. Put down our new gasket. Set it in place, and then the nuts and washers go on. Definitely want to make sure you don't over tighten, because then you could crack the bowl. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Washer, then the nuts. And if you guys like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. We got videos like this all the time. Nice and solid. Now, I'm going to hook the water line back up. That's it. hook it up to the shut-off. If I were a wrench, where would I be? I'd be right here. Tools, glove, wrench. Now, we usually got to flush these things 2 times. To get a proper flush. 1 will fill the bowl, 2 will flush it out. It's 1. Too. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I want to say until next time, Taragna.